Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox just crashed. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox just crashed, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. Then we can wait 2 seconds and then 2 seconds, yes, and then you can turn on your phone again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.